Artificial intelligence is changing the world of work. Many people fear it will simply replace human workers. Others hope it will make our jobs better and easier. The truth is not so simple. AI is doing both things at the same time. It is a dual force. It automates some of the tasks we do. The machine takes over completely. At the same time, it augments other tasks. The machine helps us perform better, faster, with more insight. Thinking about AI as only a job destroyer or only a job creator misses the real story. The reality is mixed and complex for everyone. This dual effect is happening inside the very same jobs. Imagine an office assistant. An AI tool might automate scheduling meetings. It can check everyone's calendar and find the best time. That same assistant might use AI to analyze customer feedback. The AI finds patterns in the data, but the assistant uses judgment to decide what they mean and how the company should respond. The job has not been replaced. Its tasks have been rewritten. Some tasks vanish, while new, more valuable tasks appear. Automation and augmentation are two sides of the same coin. When we see both, we can prepare more effectively. It becomes a story of how humans work with machines, and a shift from fear to practical action. Researchers studied millions of job postings. The data shows AI's dual impact. They examined ads from 2020 through 2025, a period of rapid AI adoption. Employer skill demand is shifting fast. These numbers reflect real labor market change. The findings are striking. Automation-exposed skills are disappearing. Their demand declined 16% more than others. Think basic data entry, simple scheduling, routine information processing. Meanwhile, augmentation-exposed skills are rising. Demand rose 7% more for these skills. Critical thinking, complex problem-solving, managing relationships. Crucially, exposure correlates positively. Jobs with automatable tasks also have augmentable tasks. Not either or, but both. AI's impact is not spread evenly. It creates different risks and opportunities. Researchers identify two large groups. About 26.5 million people, high exposure and high capacity to adapt. They have transferable skills, financial buffers, and access to thick labor markets. AI automates reports, freeing time for stakeholders, and complex team dynamics. But 6.1 million are more vulnerable. High exposure, low adaptive capacity, fewer transferable skills, less savings, limited options to relocate. Clerical and admin roles face overlapping AI capability. Older on average, many women, risk of widening inequalities. For companies, plugging in AI is not enough. Rethink how work gets done. AI changes productivity patterns. It can lift lower performers and compress gaps. Cost-cutting alone misses the bigger prize. Use AI to free human talent for higher value work. First, be transparent about plans and changing tasks. Second, ensure procedural justice and voice. Third, invest in targeted, task-tied training. Fourth, redesign jobs. AI does routine, humans do judgment, creativity, empathy, communication. Finally, dynamic workforce planning focused on skills. Give employees first opportunities to retrain and move. For workers, build transferable skills. Communication, teamwork, critical thinking, leadership, durable and human. Learn to work with AI. Be curious. Use it to augment your work,